Hello there, wonderful people of the internet. It is the Tactical Man-Child, and I am presenting to you an unboxing video. And for today's unboxing video, I will be showing you guys a pair of Altama Over the Beach Maritime mid-cut boots. Now, obviously, these are the boots that are, come in cool camo patterns, and they look like Chuck Taylors. But these are different. Maritime Assault, like I said. These are basically the over-the-beach model. Mid-cut, TD wide. Now, these are special limited editions for TD. TD being Tactical Distributors. They are a tactical gear website. They normally hold a lot of large name brands on there. And for their 10-year anniversary, they have chosen to release a tiger stripe camo. So let's get right into it. Slides right on out. This is the paper. And look at that. Would you look at that? Good old Vietnam War style tiger camo. Not too prominent on the black. Well, for the camo pattern anyways. Now obviously the sole and the toes are black, as well as the laces and the tongue. But this is what makes it the full-blown limited edition here. See that tongue there? See that design? Tactical Distributors, 10th anniversary, 2010 to 2020. Alright, TD10, folks. Now, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. This is just simply what they have. Alright. Same old basic tread design that we know. Stuffing still in there. This is size 10 wide. My feet only, folks. And let's get over to the next one. And there's that tag. Going over the cute little history of Altama. This is the next boot. Ooh. These are looking fine. And it's... oh. Okay, that's pretty nice. I'm not sure if Altama is doing this nowadays, but apparently, as you can see, we have a set of backup laces. And obviously these are a different color. These are olive drab versus the black, which I'm pretty sure is to give that Vietnam-esque feel to it, since back then, the two most common types of fatigues back then were basically straight olive drab or tiger camo, which is worn by primarily SF. Now, there's obviously woodland camo, yada yada, but the woodland camo was more of in the experimental phase back then. I guess, oh yeah, and there's that special logo that they have to signify the limited edition kind of deal. Alright, let me move this out of the way here for y'all. There you go, folks. The unboxing of the Tactical Distributors 10-year anniversary Tiger Camo Altama mid-cut boots. I'll probably post a review or something later on down the line, but until then, let's just appreciate the glory of these babies here.